Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so that you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolios. The title for today's video is crypto still a good hedge against inflation? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts. Before we get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen there. So if you use any of those platforms, please connect with me there, send me messages and I'll be happy to respond and communicate with you. Okay, let's get into it. Is crypto a good hedge against inflation? Let me first of all start by explaining inflation, and let's assume that you have no knowledge. Inflation is the rate by which the purchasing power of the money you hold decreases over time. So let me explain. Let's imagine you have $100 or £100 now. In a year's time, if inflation rate is at 5%, then that £100 or $100 will only be worth £95 or $95. That's what inflation is. So in times of increasing costs of the standard of living, so at the moment we're going through a fuel crisis, so fuel bills are higher, general other bills, associated bills, electricity bills, heating bills, etc. are all higher. So that means inflation is running quite high, which means that the value of the pound or the dollar or the euro that you hold in your wallet is decreasing at a reasonably high rate. So one way to protect yourself against that is by putting your money, your fiat currency, into investments, not just the usual sort of standard investments like stock market investments, which perhaps are not doing that well at the moment, but cryptocurrency investments. And let me be specific, not all cryptocurrency investments are the same. So if you were to put your £100 into a meme coin, and I don't advise that, that's not financial advice, so Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, if you were to put your £100 into Shiba Inu or Dogecoin and then in a year later relook at it, it could be any level and not necessarily protected you against inflation, so that wouldn't have been a smart move. But if you were to put your £100 or $100 into Bitcoin or Ethereum, once again this is not financial advice, within a year's time, that more than likely that would have increased in value. So your £100 would have been would have increased, and then you'll be protected against inflation. And that's what the term hedge against inflation means. People want to protect themselves and the money they hold against inflation, putting it into a standard bank account. I will put a screenshot of some of the typical rates of savings accounts in the UK. That's where I'm based, and you can see they're very low. So if you put your £100 or $100 into a savings account, in a year's time, you're not going to have earned very much interest, and inflation more than likely will have eaten into that interest or any benefit that you would have made. So putting it into a standard savings account would not have been the best move. Whereas the right cryptocurrency choice, the right cryptocurrency purchase will have protected your money and also will have increased in value over that period. So that's what the debate's around. Is it still a hedge against inflation? And in my view, yes, the right cryptocurrency purchases are a good hedge against inflation. And when we're going in through times that are quite uncertain, there's currently a war going on at the day of recording in the Ukraine and Russia, so that's having a knock-on effect on economic conditions around the world, and investing in cryptocurrency would be a good way of hedging against increasing living costs. So that's what I mean by, is it a good hedge against inflation? And in my view, it is. These videos are made for entertainment purposes. Hope you take value from them. If you do, please give me a like to indicate that you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful. Click on one of the two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Just a quick headline: I've recently launched a shorts channel, so you may see shorter format videos on my shorts channel. It's not going to be on the main channel, it's going to be on the other channel. So I will link to the shorts channel in the description below. Thanks for watching all the way through. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye. Finally, what do you think? Are you prepared to invest more money into cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks. Bye bye.